In this age where technology evolves very rapidly, the doors of the future are shaped by innovation and developing trends. In this video, we will take a look at the technological innovations that determine today and tomorrow. Emerging technology trends fundamentally change not only the business world but also our daily lives. As innovation climbs to a new peak every day, the topics we will focus on in this video include artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, space exploration, biotechnology, and more. These technological revolutions will not only affect our current lives, but will also shape the world of future generations. This video is not just a story of technology, but also a story of a great transformation of which all humanity is a part. If you are ready, let's set out together to open the doors of the future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are one of the key players revolutionizing today's technological landscape and shaping the future. Artificial intelligence is a branch of technology designed to provide computer systems with human-like thinking and decision-making capabilities. Machine learning is a subcategory of these systems that allows them to learn from data and gain experience. Innovations in this field not only make the business world more efficient, but also radically change our daily lives. Artificial intelligence offers unique solutions in many areas, from the healthcare sector to finance, from production to transportation. Machine learning, on the other hand, achieves impressive success in extracting meaningful patterns from large data sets and making predictions using these patterns. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the key to future technological developments. These technologies appear not only among computers, but also in the Internet of Things, the healthcare sector, and many other areas. Under this heading, we will explore the current effects of artificial intelligence and machine learning and how they may evolve in the future. This field is not just a story of technology, but also a harbinger of a future of humanity intertwined with knowledge. Automatic learning and problem-solving capabilities are one of the most important and fascinating topics in the field of artificial intelligence. These capabilities are used in a number of applications, giving computer systems the ability to analyze data and solve complex problems. Now, let's talk about some examples of automatic learning and problem-solving capabilities. Data analysis and forecasting. Automatic learning algorithms analyze large data sets, discovering patterns and predicting future events. This feature is used in many areas, from financial forecasts to marketing strategies. Natural language processing. Machine learning has the ability to understand, interpret, and generate text-based data thanks to its natural language processing capabilities. This is used in applications such as virtual assistants, translation services, and sentiment analysis. Image and sound recognition. Automatic learning can successfully perform tasks such as recognizing objects, facial recognition, and understanding voice commands by analyzing image and audio data. This feature is used in many areas, from security systems to medical imaging applications. Game and strategy development. Automatic learning can provide players with a more challenging experience by creating artificial intelligence opponents in computer games. At the same time, the ability to develop strategies and make decisions in games has also improved. Optimizing business processes. the ability to solve problems is used to optimize business processes. For example, automatic learning models used to increase efficiency in production processes can make processes more effective. Big data analysis. Automatic learning plays an important role in big data analysis with its ability to perform fast and effective analysis on large amounts of data. This helps businesses make data-driven decisions. Automatic learning and problem-solving capabilities are leading the evolution of technology by providing innovative solutions in many industries today. Emerging artificial intelligence applications are pushing the limits of technology and causing impressive changes in many sectors. These applications increase the learning abilities of computer systems, allowing them to perform more complex tasks. We will now consider some examples of emerging artificial intelligence applications. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. Diagnosis and predictions. Artificial intelligence offers the ability to diagnose diseases at an early stage by analyzing medical images. Drug development. Artificial intelligence is used in the design and development of specific drugs by analyzing genetic data. Artificial intelligence in the financial sector. Risk assessment. Artificial intelligence evaluates investment risks by analyzing financial data. Customer service. Improves customer service with speech recognition and natural language processing. Artificial intelligence in education and training. Student performance analysis. Artificial intelligence evaluates student performance and offers teachers customized teaching strategies. Distance education. It makes distance education more effective with automatic evaluation systems and student interaction analysis. Artificial intelligence in retail and e-commerce. Personalized recommendations. Algorithms provide personalized product recommendations based on customer behavior. Stock management. Artificial intelligence optimizes stock management by making demand forecasts. Manufacturing and industrial AI. Smart manufacturing. Sensors and data analysis increase efficiency by optimizing production processes. Maintenance prediction. Artificial intelligence improves maintenance processes by predicting equipment failures. These applications show that artificial intelligence is more than just a concept and has become tangibly integrated into our lives. While artificial intelligence increases efficiency in many sectors, it also creates new opportunities. Artificial intelligence is leading to significant changes in the business world, transforming processes and creating new opportunities. The effects of this technology in business are seen in a number of areas, such as increasing productivity, improving decision-making processes, and gaining competitive advantage. Here are some important points about the changes in the business world with artificial intelligence. Productivity increase. Artificial intelligence provides the opportunity to direct human resources to more strategic tasks by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. This increases overall efficiency. Personalized customer experience. Artificial intelligence provides personalized product and service recommendations by performing in-depth analysis on customer behavior. This increases customer satisfaction and strengthens loyalty. Data analytics and forecasting capabilities. Artificial intelligence helps businesses predict future trends by analyzing large data sets. This strengthens strategic planning and decision-making processes. Human resources management. Artificial intelligence provides access to better talent by optimizing recruitment processes. It also objectifies performance evaluations and helps identify training needs. Optimization in operational processes. Artificial intelligence increases efficiency by monitoring and analyzing operational processes. It is used in many areas from production processes to logistics management. Risk management and security. Artificial intelligence is used to strengthen businesses' cybersecurity measures and predict financial risks. This helps businesses become more secure and resilient. New business models and product development. Artificial intelligence allows businesses to develop new business models and products. This helps them gain a competitive advantage and stand out in the market. Communication and customer services. AI-based chatbots and virtual assistants improve customer service and provide 24/7 service delivery capacity. These points are just a few examples of the effects of artificial intelligence in the business world. Going forward, artificial intelligence will continue to lead to further changes in the business world by further optimizing business processes and transforming business models. The Internet of Things is revolutionizing today's digital age and making our world smarter and more interactive. IoT enables data sharing, analysis, and use by creating an ecosystem where more and more devices are connected to each other every day. In this context, the effects of IoT in business and our daily lives are dazzling. Smart home technologies. The Internet of Things makes our homes safer, more comfortable, and more energy efficient. Smart thermostats, lighting systems, security cameras, and home appliances communicate with each other, making home automation possible. Industrial IoT. In industrial sectors, IoT is making production facilities more efficient and smart. By monitoring the condition of machines, sensors can predict maintenance needs and optimize production processes. Health and wearable technologies. Smart health devices and wearable technologies help individuals monitor their health data, communicate with their doctors, and live healthier lives. Transportation and logistics. IoT plays an important role in monitoring, guiding, and optimizing transportation vehicles and logistics processes. It is also used in smart cities, in applications such as traffic management and parking lots. Agriculture and smart city projects. IoT can optimize water and energy use by increasing efficiency in the agricultural sector. It is also used in areas such as garbage management, energy saving, and public transportation within the scope of smart city projects. Retail and customer experience. IoT is used in the retail industry for inventory management, customer behavior analysis, and providing personalized shopping experiences. Technologies such as smart labels and shelf sensors provide consumers with faster and more interactive shopping experiences. Security and monitoring. IoT strengthens security systems and provides monitoring and security solutions in various environments, for example, smart buildings, public spaces, and industrial facilities. The Internet of Things is becoming more complex and comprehensive day by day, changing the basis of business and our daily lives. In this context, the opportunities brought by IoT and the solutions it offers contribute to this dynamic evolution of technology. Robot technologies and automation stand out as one of the important factors that trigger industrial transformation today. These technologies are making a significant impact in optimizing business processes, allowing people to focus on more complex tasks, and increasing production efficiency. Industrial automation. Robots take over routine tasks in production facilities, directing human workers to more strategic and complex tasks. Automation increases industrial efficiency by speeding up production processes and reducing costs. Humanoid robots. Robotics technologies enable the development of human-like robots, allowing them to tackle more complex and sensitive tasks. This is evident in applications such as surgical robots, cleaning robots, and more. Human and robot collaboration. Environments where humans and robots work collaboratively can increase both safety and efficiency. People working together with robots to complement each other's shortcomings creates a new paradigm in the business world. Autonomous vehicles and drone technology. Automation is accelerating the development of driverless vehicles and drones. This leads to significant changes in the logistics and transportation sectors, offering more efficient and safer transportation. Automation in the service sector. Robot technologies are also widely used in the service sector. Order-taking robots in restaurants, service robots in hotels, and similar applications are redefining the customer experience. Robots in education and health services. Robots also play an important role in the education and healthcare sectors. While robots for educational purposes offer practical experiences to students, robots in the healthcare sector are used in surgical operations and patient care. Robotics and automation represent a dynamic process of change that profoundly affects the business world and daily life. Widespread use of these technologies not only increases efficiency but also has the potential to create new business models and industry standards. Biotechnology has become a field that has caused radical changes in the healthcare industry and revolutionized the field of treatment, diagnosis, and healthcare. This innovative technology pushes the boundaries of the healthcare industry by bringing together disciplines such as biology, genetics, molecular biology, and computer science. Gene therapy and genetic engineering. Biotechnology is increasing the capacity to intervene in genetic diseases through gene therapy and genetic engineering. This makes it possible to get to the root of diseases and even prevent hereditary diseases through genetic modifications. Personal genomics. Personal genomic studies, which enable the development of personalized healthcare services and treatments based on individuals' genetic information, deepen the effects of biotechnology in the healthcare sector. Bioprinting. Bioprinting technology, which can produce organs and tissues using biological materials, offers a promising solution for patients waiting for organ transplantation. This could reduce the shortage of donor organs and make it possible to produce organs tailored to specific needs. Immunotherapy and cellular therapies. Biotechnology plays an important role in health innovations by using immunotherapy to strengthen the immune system and develop cellular treatments against diseases such as cancer. Digital health and wearable technologies. Biotechnology is helping individuals track their health data, interact with doctors, and improve their health through health monitoring devices and wearable technologies. CRISPR-Cas9 and gene editing. Advanced gene editing techniques such as CRISPR-Cas9 are revolutionizing the fields of gene therapy and genetic engineering with the ability to directly edit genetic material. Nanotechnology and drug delivery. Nanotechnology using nano-sized particles makes it possible to develop more effective drug delivery systems, target-directed drug delivery, and reduce side effects. Biotechnology and health innovations transform the healthcare industry, carrying great potential in areas such as the treatment and prevention of diseases, more personalized treatments, and the evolution of healthcare. This field aims to manage human health more effectively by setting future health standards. Space has been an endless field of curiosity and discovery for humanity. By making this journey of discovery possible, space technologies push the boundaries of the depths of the universe. Space technologies and discoveries play a major catalyst role for science, technology, and the overall progress of humanity. Space research stations. Space technologies enable the construction and operation of space research stations such as the International Space Station. These stations provide important data for conducting scientific research in the microgravity environment and understanding living conditions in space. Space observatory and telescopes. Observatories and telescopes in space offer scientists a unique perspective on unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos by observing stars, galaxies, and other celestial bodies in the universe. Instruments such as the Hubble Space Telescope contribute to our understanding of the expansion and structure of the universe with its ability to examine distant galaxies. Space probes and planetary explorations. Space probes visit planets and celestial bodies outside the solar system and collect valuable data about their surface properties, atmospheric composition, and general structure. Discoveries made on planets such as Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn allow us to seek answers to fundamental questions about planet formation and evolution. Solar energy and energy production in space. Space technologies work on projects involving the use of solar energy panels and energy production systems placed in space. This represents an area that could address energy challenges and offer new approaches to meet the energy needs of space missions. Space tourism and commercial space flights. Space tourism is experiencing a significant development as private companies and entrepreneurs accelerate commercial activities in space. Commercial spaceflight is creating a new industry that allows people to experience space by orbiting the Earth. Space technologies and discoveries represent a major field that affects humanity not only scientifically, but also technologically, economically, and culturally. This field will continue with future space missions and exploration, as well as humanity's efforts to understand the universe. Energy technologies and sustainability have gained great importance today, considering the increasing environmental awareness and the limited energy resources. Innovations in this field are transforming the world energy landscape by providing solutions for goals such as clean and sustainable energy production, energy storage, efficiency, and carbon footprint reduction. Solar energy. Solar energy technologies provide a clean and sustainable energy source by converting sunlight into electrical energy. Photovoltaic panels can be used in a wide range of applications, from homes to industrial facilities, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Wind energy. Wind energy offers an environmentally friendly energy production method by converting kinetic energy into electrical energy through wind turbines. Large wind farms provide clean energy production over large areas. Hydroelectric energy. Hydroelectric energy contributes to energy production by converting the kinetic energy of water into electrical energy. Dams and on-stream turbines support the use of this sustainable energy source. Energy storage and battery technologies. Energy storage systems store energy obtained from renewable energy sources and make it available when demand increases or resources are limited. Advanced battery technologies offer a wide range of applications, from portable devices to electric vehicles. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is a large-scale energy production method with low carbon emissions on the environment. However, it must be handled in a controlled manner due to issues such as nuclear waste management and safety concerns. Smart grids and energy efficiency. Smart grids enable more efficient energy use by monitoring and managing energy consumption. Energy efficiency practices support sustainability by minimizing energy waste, from buildings to industrial facilities. Bioenergy and biofuels. Bioenergy involves the use of organic materials for energy production. Biofuels are obtained from biological resources such as agricultural waste, wood, and vegetable oils and can be an alternative to fossil fuels. Energy technologies and sustainability play a critical role in shaping the energy landscape of the future. This field is constantly evolving towards the goals of reducing environmental impacts, ensuring energy security, and building a sustainable energy future. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies, a revolutionary innovation in the digital economy. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, which have radically changed traditional financial systems and currencies, symbolize the beginning of a new era in the digital economy. These technologies offer a decentralized and transparent structure, bringing a new perspective to financial systems with advantages such as reliability, speed, and low cost. Blockchain is a distributed ledger system in which a series of blocks are chained together. Each block contains the information of the previous block and is shared among all participants in the network. This makes data manipulation difficult and provides a trustworthy environment. The main advantages of blockchain technology are reliability and transparency. Transactions are recorded transparently and anyone can access these records. This ensures that transactions are traceable and reliable. Decentralization. Data is distributed to all users in the network, not to a single central authority. This prevents single-point failure or manipulation. Instant transactions. Blockchain speeds up transactions by eliminating intermediaries. This offers instant solutions, especially in cross-border transactions and payment systems. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin are digital assets underlying blockchain technology. These cryptocurrencies can be used as an alternative to traditional banking systems and offer a number of advantages. Decentralization and anonymity. Cryptocurrencies work without the need for a central authority. It also allows users to remain anonymous. Unlimited access. Cryptocurrencies offer lower costs and faster transaction opportunities compared to traditional currencies in cross-border transfers. Smart contracts and decentralized finance. Blockchain-based platforms such as Ethereum enable programmable financial transactions through smart contracts. This makes decentralized finance applications possible. The rise of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is leading the transformation of financial systems, but some challenges are also faced. Issues such as regulatory issues, safety concerns, and environmental impacts may influence the future evolution of these technologies. In conclusion, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are leading to revolutionary changes in the financial world. The adoption and development of these technologies can contribute to building more effective, reliable, and sustainable financial systems in the future. "5G technology represents a revolutionary step in the communications industry. This new generation wireless communication technology further improves the communication infrastructure with features such as higher speeds, lower latencies, and the ability to connect many more devices simultaneously. Here are the important points brought by 5G. High speed and low latencies. One of the most striking features of 5G is that it allows data transmission at very high speeds. This means faster and more reliable connections for streaming video, games, and other internet-based services. At the same time, higher performance is achieved in live interactive applications thanks to low latency. Large bandwidth. 5G technology offers a wider bandwidth, allowing more devices to be connected simultaneously. This is ideal for Internet of Things devices, smart city applications, and other systems with multiple connectivity needs. Internet of Things and smart cities. 5G makes the Internet of Things more effective by supporting large amounts of devices to connect and communicate with each other. This opens the door to a range of IoT applications, from smart homes to intelligent transportation systems. It can lead to significant improvements in areas such as transportation, energy management, and security in smart cities. Virtual reality and augmented reality. The high speed and low latency advantages of 5G make virtual reality and augmented reality applications more effective and realistic. This means a wider potential for use in education, entertainment, healthcare, and industrial applications. Industrial applications and automation. 5G enables industrial automation to become more complex and precise. Industrial applications such as factories, power plants, and transportation systems can become more efficient and flexible by taking advantage of 5G's fast and reliable connections. Security and privacy. Stronger encryption and security features provided by 5G ensure that data and communication is transmitted more securely and confidentially. This is an important advantage, especially in the healthcare, finance, and industrial sectors where sensitive data is transferred. "5G technology ushers in a new era in communication, opening the doors to a more connected, faster, and smarter world. However, widespread adoption of this new technology and overcoming potential challenges requires careful management of issues such as regulation, infrastructure investments, and security. The technology of the future heralds a world that is much more connected, smart, and sustainable than today. In this age where innovation and developing trends are gaining momentum, every field, from our lifestyles to our business models, is being transformed by technological advances. While artificial intelligence and machine learning expand our abilities to solve problems, personalized health solutions are designed to improve our quality of life. The speed and reliability of 5G technology is revolutionizing communications, while the Internet of Things, IoT, is making our world smarter and more connected. Sustainable developments in energy technologies contribute to our fight against climate change by supporting environmentally friendly solutions. While blockchain and cryptocurrencies offer a decentralized approach to financial systems, innovations in this field are democratizing financial access. In the future, robotic technologies and autonomous systems will make our daily lives more efficient and safe. While biotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare, space technologies and exploration are accelerating humanity's efforts to discover its place in the universe. With these developments, the technology of the future not only changes our business world and daily life, but also has the potential to provide solutions to global problems. However, in this transformation, ethical responsibilities, security measures, and sustainability principles should not be ignored. In this exciting journey into the future, observing how technology is a catalyst for a better future for humanity and approaching these developments from an ethical, responsible perspective is critical in building a new world. Guided by innovation, future technology can make humanity's vision of creating a more just, sustainable, and connected world a reality.